Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 4, digital to analog converters and analog to digital converters. In this session, I am going to discuss analog to digital converter, working of 3-bit or 4-bit flash type, dual slope ADCs, simple problems, okay, and ICs, okay, different types of ICs and its features I am going to discuss. Okay, so let's see what is analog to digital converter. Analog to digital converter is a device which converts analog signals, means continuous signals or a continuous quantity, into a digital signals, means discrete signals or a discrete time digital representation. Okay, that is an analog to digital converter. Okay, so analog signal is a continuous in nature, that is like a sinusoidal waveform. Okay, and it cannot be read by the computer. Okay, so we need conversion. By converting the analog signal data, okay, the analog signal data can be amplified, added or taken from the original signal. Okay, so in order to understand by the computer, okay, analog signal can be converted into digital signal. That signal can be processed with the help of a computer or a processor. Then we are going to convert back into digital to analog signal. Okay, so that is the process. So there is a symbolic representation of a analog to digital converters. Okay, you can observe here. Okay, so analog to digital, analog inputs you are providing, you are going to take the digital output. Okay, there will be data lines, write and read. Okay, like that. So you are going to convert that analog signal into digital signal, then you are going to process in a digital equipments. Okay, in a digital communication you are going to convert that analog into digital also. Okay, so next there are different types of ADCs, analog to digital converters. First one, flash ADC, successive approximation converters, sigma delta ADC compression, sample and hold circuits. Okay, and softwares, internal microcontroller ADCs, analog to digital converters will be there. Okay, so there are some applications of the analog to digital converters will be music recording. Okay, for music recording means, for example, you take a mobile, you are speaking in front of a mobile, means your voice signal should be converted into a electrical signal, then you are going to process. Okay, so that electrical signal again you are going to convert into digital signals. Okay, so means analog signal you are going to convert into a digital signal processing. Okay, we are using this analog to digital converters, scientific instruments, rotary encoders. Computer use ADC to convert the signals from analog to digital before they can be interpreted. Okay, and also fast video ADC. Okay, is used in TV tuner cards, dish oscilloscopes. We are using the ADCs. Okay, so next here, flash ADC. Flash ADC is called as a parallel ADC. Okay, its response is very fast and it converts analog signal into digital signal using the parallel comparators. You can observe the comparators, different types of comparators placed in this here. Okay, different comparators were placed. It is a conversion time is fast, it is called as a flash ADC. Okay, okay, its conversion time. Okay, you are naming it as a flash ADC. Its conversion time is too fast. Okay, so we are naming it as a flash ADC or a parallel ADC. N bit flash ADC consists of parallel combination of 2n comparators, 2 raised to n minus 1 comparators. Output of all comparators are connected to the encoders. Okay, so see here, there will be a 8 line to 3 line priority encoder will be there, binary output will be there. There are 7 comparators were connected parallelly. Okay, so you are going to convert that analog into digital. Okay, so its conversion time is very fast, so we are naming it as a flash ADC. So next there will be working principle of a ADC. So you can see here, flash ADC, analog voltage is applied to a non-inverting terminals of all the comparators. Okay, all the comparators, and reference voltage is applied to the inverting terminals of the comparators. inverting terminals of the comparators using the what? Divider, register divider circuit. So each comparator produces what? Ones and zeros. Okay, these comparators are going to produce ones and zeros. Okay, if the analog voltage is greater than the reference voltage of the comparator, then which produces the high logic. If okay, if suppose it is less than the reference voltage, then comparator produces the low logic. Okay, so here high logic and low logic you will get here. Okay, so next, hence parallel comparator produces the digital representation of the analog voltages in the zeros and in terms of the zeros and ones. Okay, the output of the comparator then applied to the fast encoder circuit. Okay, encoder converts the zeros and ones into a binary numbers and produces the digital binary output. Okay, here you will get the binary ones and zeros. Okay, so here it is going to give the high logic and low logic depending on the data inputs. Dual slope ADC. Okay, dual slope type ADC analog to digital converter. The integrator is going to generate, okay, integrator is going to generate two different ramps, one with known analog input voltage and okay, and also one input analog input voltage VA and also the reference voltage minus VRF. Okay, so it is going to generate two different ramps, two different signals, so we are naming it as a dual slope analog to digital converters. This is the logic diagram you can observe here. So here binary counter, you are going to binary counter, initially it is going to count with a 0 0 0 0. The output of the integrator rests to 0 volt. Okay, the integrator circuit, so this is the integrator circuit. The output of this integrated circuit is set to 0. Okay, we are going to reset it to the 0, and the input to the ramp generator, or integrator is switched to the unknown analog input voltage VA. Okay, analog, we are going to switch here. So next, analog input voltage VA is integrated by the inverting integrator and generates the negative ramp output. Okay, the output of the ramp comparator is positive and clock is passed through the AND gate. The result is counting up of a binary counter. Okay, and also negative ramp which continues for a fixed time period T1, which is determined by the count detector for the time period of T1. At the end of the fixed time period T1, the ramp output of the integrator, you will get it is given by Vs equal to minus Va divided by Rc into T1 you will get here. Okay, that is the ramp output you will get. So when the counter reaches to the fixed count at a period T1, you will get automatically counter resets to 0 0 0 and switches the integrator input to the negative reference voltage minus VREF. Okay, so that is the working of the dual slope oscilloscope. Okay, sorry. Okay, dual slope analog to digital converter, you can see here. So next, there is simple problems. See here, determine the resolution of the 12 stage ADC which if VFS equal to 10.24. okay, so VFS equal to 10.24, the voltage you can see here. You are going to calculate the voltage resolution. He has given VFS. Okay, you have equation 12 stages means 12 stages means 2 raised to n equal to 12 he has given 2 raised to n minus 1. Okay, so you take it 10.24 divided by 2 raised to 12 minus 1, you will get 2.5 millivolts. What is the conversion time of the staircase ADC? So you are going to calculate the staircase time. So here you are going to calculate with the help of maximum conversion time of the staircase time is ADC equal to 2 raised to n divided by f. Okay, so where n is the number of the stages or the bits, f is the clock frequency. If the average time conversion time is preferred, the definition changes to the average conversion time, that is equal to 1 by 2 maximum conversion time 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by f. Okay, so that one you will get here. So ADC IC and its features are features of ADC 8084. It is compatible with the 080 microprocessor derivatives. Okay, interfacing logic needed. Access time is 135 nanoseconds. easy interface to all microprocessors, differential analog input voltages, logic input and output meet the both MOS and TTL voltage logic specifications, work with 2.5 volt LM336 voltage reference logic is needed, on chip clock generator, and 0 volt to 5 volt analog input voltages ranges with the single 5 volt non-zero adjust required, and also 0.3 inch standard width of the 20 pin package resolution of the IC will be there. So there will be different features of IADC 0809, easy interface to all the microprocessor, operates ratio metrically or within the VDC, and log span is adjusted voltage reference, no zero or full scale adjust is required, 8 channel multiplexer with the address logic, 0 volt to 5 volt input range with the single 5 volt power supply will be there, output meet the TTL voltage level specifications, standard or molded 28 pin DIP package will be there, 28 pin molded chip carrier packages will be there, ADC 080 equivalent and MM74C 96 and different equivalent MM74C 9491 will ICs will be there. Okay, so and similarly for MCP 3202 ADC IC will be there, 12 bit resolution plus or minus 1 least significant maximum max DNL and plus or minus 1 LSB max INL. Okay, so analog input programmable as a single-ended or pseudo differential pairs will be there, and also SPI serial interface, single supply operations 2.7 volt to 5.5 volt. Okay, these different features of the ICs will be there, you can observe here. So 10 k, okay, 10 kSPS maximum max sampling rate. Okay, so means 10 k 10 100 kilo seconds per pixels, okay, per seconds. Okay, KSPS. Okay, sampling rate, sampling frequencies will be there, and also low power CMOS technologies, 500 minus 500 nano typical standby current and 500 micromax. Okay, you are getting here. So these are the features, different features they have given. Okay, just you have to remember this. Okay, so in this session we have discussed analog to digital converters, what is analog to analog signal is converted into digital signal. Okay, how it is processed and different ICs are used, and working of the 3 volt and 4 bit flash dual slope ADCs, and also we have calculated simple problems and ICs of ADCs and its features. Okay, so thank you.